Yeah, so we're gonna go and head off to one of our new friends' places, have some tea, maybe a little something to eat, and then we'll continue on the activities for the day. Alright, so we met up with another one of our friends, Rakesh. Woo! Alright, so we're all on the back of the bike with Rakesh. And we're off to see Big Banyan Tree, the second sacred place of Buddha.
Yes. This is the holy river. Buddha passed by this river.
Okay, is this the Ganges or just
Niranjana river.
Niranjana?
It has two names.
Yeah?
Palgu and second name is Niranjana.
Niranjana. Alright, so we've arrived here at the Banyan Tree, and my man Rakesh is going to explain why it's so important.
Hi, namaste. My name is Rakesh, and this one is the banyan tree. And in Bihar and in India, we are saying the Bargad in Hindi. And Bargad, it's mean husband, long life. And this tree is the very celebrating for the Hindus people or for the also Buddhism people. Because Lord Buddha and Siddhartha was also expand here the time when he came from the mountain. There was he doing meditation 6 years. And in India, ladies are very celebrating to doing the puja in every year in one day for his husband. Namaste.
Stay. Awesome,
Wow,
thanks my man. Yeah. Alright, so there you
Now
go.
there is the ready.
That's why the banyan tree that we have come to is important. Awesome, so we just went and sat in the shade on a little mat under a tree with the gentleman who actually looks after this area, cleans it all up. So yeah, that was cool. Now we're gonna jump on the bikes, go and check out a village, then I think we'll get a bit of lunch. How are you? Excellent. Hello. Bye. Alright, so we've come to a village where our friends help out at a school for local children. So we're going to go there and check it out.
Yeah, the other 4 villages.
So we've arrived at the school of Niru's brother. We're going to cruise in and meet some of the kids.
Children, yes. Some other children, there are more children. The time is already past.
मम्मी मम्मी पेन दिला दो मम्मी मम्मी पेन दिला दो फिर हमको पेन दिला दो पेन दिला दो
Yay! Awesome. Wow, sort of privilege it's been to be able to come out here and see the amazing work that's being done in this school. This is the main classroom. There's another 2 classrooms up the back, and they'll have 70 children in here. Primary school, yeah?
Yes,
Primary school from 3 to
3 to 11 years old.
3 to 11 years old and 70 students, and it's all run on donations. So,
Yeah.
and what are you trying to do now? What's the next step?
I'm trying to give the facilities in the toilet
Yep,
to the children so they cannot go in the field.
yep,
So, and also it's good for them.
yeah, yeah. So I'll put a link below, so where you can donate to this school, and if you'd like to help them get the toilet and then continue to improve the school and give the children in these rural areas of India a really, a chance at something else, then yeah, please donate whatever you can. And these guys are doing amazing work. It's really humbling to come out here and see this, and a real privilege. So thank you, man.
Thank you.
Thank you. It was yeah, amazing. I lived on a farm in Australia.
Now you are in real India.
Yes,
Yes.
definitely. Yeah,
Hey guys.
most beautiful India.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey. Whoa. 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 All right. This has been, yeah, an amazing experience. And if you're ever in Bodh Gaya, I would strongly suggest trying to come out here, seeing the work these guys are doing. It's, yeah, it's amazing. Alright, so we just dropped back into our guest house to grab something warm and some mosquito repellent. And now we're heading back out to the banyan tree where we were earlier today to have a barbecue and a couple of drinks. So yeah, it should be amazing.
Now we are going to enjoy the party at night. We are going to party with the fire. We have chicken and litti.
Yeah,
Yes.
chicken and litti.
And also little bit some alcohol, but that one is not fair in Bihar now. That's why we are just crossing that. We are just hiding that.
Alright, so a slight change of plans. It was a bit late to go to the banyan tree. So we've got some amazing food from a local restaurant. Now we've come at the back here, this little area, and we're gonna eat, drink, and be merry. Just hang out with friends. So.
Come.